How to convert 401k to a Silver IRA without paying taxes or penalties. Converting your retirement savings into physical assets like silver can help diversify and protect your portfolio. If done correctly, you can complete this move without triggering taxes or penalties. This simple guide explains how to convert 401k to a Silver IRA without paying taxes or penalties in clear, practical steps. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. 1. Understand the rules. Start by learning the basic IRS guidelines for rollovers. A direct rollover from a 401k to an IRA is key to avoiding taxes. 2. Check your eligibility, make sure you qualify. Typically, you can roll over funds if you've left your employer or have access to an in-service withdrawal. 3. Choose a trusted custodian. You'll need a self-directed IRA custodian that allows precious metals. Look for one with transparent fees and solid reviews. 4. Open a Silver IRA. Set up your new account before moving funds. This ensures a smooth and compliant transfer process. 5. Request a direct rollover. Ask your 401k provider to transfer funds directly to your IRA. This avoids withholding taxes and penalties. 6. Pick IRS-approved silver. Not all silver qualifies. Choose approved bullion or coins that meet purity standards, usually 99.9%. 7. Complete all paperwork. Submit the required forms accurately. Mistakes or delays can lead to unnecessary complications. 8. Track the transfer. Stay in touch with both providers to ensure everything is moving as planned. 9. Confirm funds and purchase. Once funds arrive, instruct your custodian to purchase the silver assets for your IRA. 10. Stay compliant. Follow all IRS rules going forward, including storage requirements and reporting. Learning how to convert 401k to a Silver IRA without paying taxes or penalties doesn't have to be complicated. By using a direct rollover, working with a reliable custodian, and choosing approved silver, you can protect your retirement savings while avoiding unnecessary costs. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.